Hello guys, our next topic is core logging. Core logging or ASTM D5434 is a systematic recording and measuring of as much information as possible or required to determine the lithology or rock types, mineralogy, potential geological history, structure and alteration of zones through a tiny piece of cylindrical rock drilled and removed from a potential mineral deposit. It is also considered the primary method of determining grade, size, and mineability of a potential mineral deposit. Drill cores are relied on by exploration and mining companies around the world. ASTM D5434-03 is the standard guide for field logging of subsurface explorations of soil and rock significance and its use. The quality of the result produced by this standard is dependent on the competence of the personnel performing in it and the sustainability of the equipment and facilities used. ASTM, or the formerly known as the American Society for Testing and Materials, examines chemical properties, metallurgical properties, and mechanical properties. Here are some logging core samples key components. The first one is lithology description. It is the identifying of rock type, texture, color, and any other significant features. Two is the mineral identification and quantification, wherein identifying the minerals present in the rock and determining their relative proportions. Three is the structural analysis, identifying and describing the orientation and relationship of minerals and structures within the ore body. Four is the alteration mineral mapping, involves mapping the distribution of alteration minerals within the ore body. Continuing in 5, the core recovery estimation, wherein determining the proportion of core that was recovered from the drill hole, followed by geotechnical properties, wherein the information is important for mine design and can help with the selection of the most appropriate mining period or method. And the last is the assaying, important for resource estimates, grade control, and determining the viability of the mining project. Here are some examples of core names, core size, and next, we have the core logging process. Kung paano Next, we have the core logging processes. The first step is to clean the core of the drilling fluids or muds, followed by the marking of major structures, proposed point load testing locations, and depths every 1 to 2 meters on undisturbed core in splits. Next is photograph the core in the splits with the scale placed to the picture and the whiteboard indicating what depth and the core has been obtained from, followed by the discontinuity and core logging description logs. 5. The fifth step is transfer the core from the splits to a labeled core box. 6. Which is the last step. Once a core box is full, take a single photograph of the core box with a scale. Here are also some informations about the color and rock description. Color and rock descriptions should be logged as part of the core logging procedure to identify the lithologies and alteration sequences encountered. Logging should be based on easy-to-identify attributes that will in most cases allow rock type to determine quickly and easily. Such attributes includes pattern, color, grain size, texture, fabric, lithology, and alteration. And for additional information, why why is it important? And to sum it all, core logging is the process of systematically observing, measuring, and recording characteristics of drill core. And the purpose is to obtain as much information as possible in order to identify and define the potential mineral deposit by describing the lithology, mineralogy, structures, alteration zones, geochemistry, stratigraphy, and interpretation of geological history. And also, why is it important? Core logs are used to model potential ore deposits. It determines the size, grade, and mine feasibility. The quality of core logging is critical to accurate reporting of mineral resources at all stages of exploration and mining. And the last, as exploration geologists, core logging is one of the most important and frequent jobs the industry needs us for.